Well, I don't know. But at least I know that you're my girlfriend. Slobby kids! Super hobby kids, suit up! Hobby Kids TV! Hey, you! Where's that putrid stench coming from? SpaceX again? Oh no, guys! SpaceX! At this point, you may wish to turn down the smell on your television. Oh, yuck! Hobby! Huge! Oh, yuck! These ants are just too nasty to be stopped. I'm gonna... No, Hobby Bear, don't! He's out! I'm sorry, Mia, but if Hobby Bear throws up, we'll have to wait until tomorrow. Come on, let's go back to Earth. It stinks in here. Ew! You